welcome back to OtherBuys. Today we've got some New Balance trainers. So these are the U998BL because they're black, made in the USA edition. So 70% of the materials in the shoe made in the USA. These are the most premium ones they do. Roughly about £210 in the UK. Really nice premium box. Some writing on the inside. Now the important bit, the actual shoe. So I've worn these once. Fit is true to size. Really comfortable. The absorb sole. Pig suede upper and leather with some mesh. Sorry, pig suede leather mesh and rubber sole. So yeah, the New Balance U98. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. We're also on other social media, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Thanks very much guys. Don't forget to drop us a follow.